Goods secured. Told you it's a food review channel now. Right guys, this is episode 5 by invitation only. It's a little bit of a different video. In this video we're going to look at 2 dudes vibing, hanging with celebrities and a secret car show. So stick around for a drive or just see some cars. There will be timestamps. So Mr. Spencer, where are we off to today on this very fine afternoon? Shit. London. Alright, so I'll say it more eloquently then. We are currently en route to the London Motor Circuit to go to
Guz Khan's car unveiling for his new TV series, which we will be featured on.
Indeed. With this lovely thing that we got out back, which I won't stick my camera out the window so I don't drop it out on the motorway. But
it's a beach buggy right up my arm.
So, Mr. Spence, back on vlog mode. So we're currently at Reading Services. So how far are we out from? About an hour. Fair. They're abandoned. Good old M. Is it? This isn't the M25 even.
No,
is
this isn't it now.
Oh, good. Ah, well. Out of 5?
5 out of 5.
5 out of 5. Would recommend. So we do food reviews as well.
We're at the £3.50 a pack.
Alright, bye.
Talking about sandfire. Get it now. Yay! Cheers.
Oh no. Hey, we're going drifting. I mean, I'm down. It's just not my car.
You alright, love? Recognise those legs.
So, Mr. Spence. So we finally made it to Petrolheadonism in London. That's right, it is a Vauxhall combo. The amount of work put into this is amazing, and the guy was absolutely lovely. Shook up the event and most of the cars while it was at it. Talking about cars of the show, there was a great mix of cars here, in my opinion, curated to perfection. Too many to go around at the day. Obviously, we only had the afternoon to do that, but the phrase would be, you don't see many of these.
It looks like it's the pipe for the fuel filter.
Daddy
Whoa. Let's go back a bit. So not only we got invited to an amazing car show organised by Petrolheadonism, but the main reason we're here is to meet Mr. Guz Khan once again, in conjunction with Quest TV.
Bristol, fine. How are you, brother? Yeah, good to see you. Bro, this is my best friend number.
As you can imagine, this is a huge deal for the boys at the DUBSHOP, so we'll be posting it all over the socials when that finally comes out. Now, how to work out how to fit a 6'5" man in a unique beach buggy.
Right, go ahead first. I can't get more than one leg in. I swear you can. No, I can't see yourself. Look. How are you? Look in, man. There you go.
Now he's got to get out.
Right, can we get around the floor so the giraffe gets to see the floor on TV, Can we give it up for Guz Khan? Big up the lads as well. These two work so hard and we should give them a round of applause. They've been absolutely amazing. 3, 2, 1, go!
I'm sure you're going to hate me, but I can't show you yet due to legal reasons, but you'll have to take my word for it. It is spectacular. Speaking of spectacular, we did get to see some amazing builds. Including this sick Ford Fiesta. I must admit, it is an audiophile's dream. I'm hoping they can get some dolphins coming off the stereo. If you know, you know. But look at it, it's cool. Thanks again for Petrolheadonism for having a right laugh with us and showing us around. And we got to meet some cool folks with some even cooler cars, including that app. As I said before, I can't show you the car until it's on TV. So why don't you just keep watching until I can? But I think it's about time we moseyed on home.
Oh, thanks, babes.
So final thoughts. Well, it took a shed ton of editing to try and hide a show car, which is going to be on TV anyway. But bring back neons, that's all I can say.